Does the topic of saving money makes you feel guilty? Well, you have good intentions in terms of saving money, but some or the other requirement shows up and you put off this idea of saving. And you tell yourself you will start saving money once you reach a certain milestone, like when you hit a certain age, or once you get your dream job, or once you get a higher pay, and so on. But in reality, you'll start saving money only when you learn healthy money habits and when you realize that your future needs are way more important than your current wants. There are plenty of ways to save money and breathe some fresh air into your budget. Let's start the video. Before that, hi beautiful minds, I'm Kritika. Welcome to HowToTuber family. I make videos on how to questions. Please subscribe to my channel. The least fun things to spend money on are the ones you actually have to pay for, but you may be surprised how simple and fun it is to find a little extra cash in your bills. I'll be sharing with you some easy ways to reduce your expenses each month. Lower your utility bills. Evaluate whether or not you're being as conservative as you can with your utilities. Quick tips include using daylight instead of electric bulbs or tube light, cooking the food with lids on, turning off the faucet or the flowing tap when you're brushing your teeth, switching off or unplugging the appliances whenever they're not in use, using electric water heating coils instead of geyser. All these tiny little ways will definitely help you to save not just money but even energy. Inflate your tires. Properly inflated tires can increase fuel economy by over 3%. In addition, tires inflated to the correct pressure last longer and fail less often. If your car doesn't have tire sensors, consider buying a pressure gauge and checking the pressure yourself. Time your major purchases around sale periods. If you're an online shopper, major sales in India include Amazon Prime Day sale, Flipkart Big Billion Days, Nykaa Diwali Dhamaka sale, Myntra Midnight Fashion sales, Pepperfry Shubharam sale. So if you're planning to buy cosmetics or apparels or furniture or electronic items or mobile phones, whatever it is, plan properly and try to purchase these items only during sales so that you can reap maximum benefit out of it. Even if you're an offline purchaser, in India you have certain seasons or certain periods where vendor or retailer wants to clear off their stock and you'll find major clearance stock sales. So even if you purchase during these periods, you'll make pretty good saving. Use coupons. Coupons are everywhere. We have all encountered coupons and awesome big offers during shopping. Coupons come in the mail, they're in the newspaper, and sometimes they're sitting in the store. In addition to physical coupons, you can easily find them on websites, in emails, and even promo codes on TV, radio, or even on YouTube. There are specific applications which are designed exclusively to offer coupons. Please check them out. Irrespective of whether you are an offline or online shopper, you can easily use coupons during shopping. Couponing can save you a decent amount of money on things you need and regularly buy. For example, if you always buy a certain laundry detergent and you find a coupon for ₹5 off, then you are saving ₹5 on something you would normally buy at full price. Plan your groceries. Make a list of what food you'll need for the week. keeping in mind what meals can be prepared from the ingredients. This will help you to go to the grocery store well prepared and not just buying some random things. Meal planning is another great option which saves both time and money while making it easier for you to eat healthy. An estimated 1.3 billion tons of food, or roughly 30% of global production, is lost or wasted every year according to UN Food and Agricultural Organization. There are several ways in which you can reduce food spoilage and food wastage at your home. Let's know them. Don't overbuy. Keep a record of what you have bought and what you have used. Check the best before or used by dates, especially when you're buying fresh food products or dairy products. Plan ahead. Think what you're going to cook and what you'll be using with the leftovers. Learn how to save food. Learn the ways to preserve the food, storing food properly, getting creative in kitchen, shopping smartly. All these things will definitely help you to reduce the food spoilage, at least at your home, which will reduce the global wastage as well. Carpooling will definitely save you money. Carpooling allows you to share the cost of gas and parking, cutting your expenses by nearly 50% or more. The more occupants in your carpool, the more you save. Carpooling is also socially economical. So whenever possible, try carpooling. Make your passwords reminders. If you force yourself to type a phrase on your online shopping accounts that will remind you of goal saving date, you will be less likely to overspend. For example, if your goal is to go on a beach vacation, then you can keep it as beach vacation 2021. Replace incandescent light bulbs. Light your home using the same amount of light for less money. Switching to energy efficient lighting is one of the fastest ways to cut your energy bills. Switch to compact fluorescent lamps or LEDs, light emitting diodes. Although they can initially cost you more than traditional incandescent bulbs, but during their lifetime they can definitely save you money because they use less energy. You can find them in most hardware and home improvement stores. Mobile phones have become an integral part of our lives, and as we can't stay away from it or as we can't reduce its utilization, we need to find ways to lower our phone bills. In India, we have a lot of service providers like Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, and especially after Jio has come into existence, lot of service providers are offering similar lower plans, cheap plans I should say. So now you have an option to choose a best service provider who is active in your area with a cheap plan. And also, if you are on a budget, I would say choose a prepaid option, and also track your mobile data usage and know the details of your plan, like what's the data limit, what number of calls, unlimited calls, free messaging, whatever the features of your plan, know it. And also use Wi-Fi whenever possible. Of course, using public Wi-Fi has some risks, but whenever you have an option and you feel safe, switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi. And also do not opt for value-added options. Many a times without users' consent, many service providers automatically activate these value-added options. So please check out, and if you are checked in for it, please opt out. Talk more, spend less, and stay happy. I hope you liked this video. Please watch all the videos in this money saving series. It will definitely help you. If you like this video, press that thumbs up button, and also do share it with your friends and family. And also do post your how to questions in the comment box. I'll be happy to do videos on them. That's all for the video, guys. Bye. Take care.